Good morning and welcome to the season finale of Testing Texting Trivia. I'm your host, Michael Warren, joining you live from the WHHS studios at Hempfield High School. I'm accompanied by one representative from each of the top 3 classrooms in our Molly's on Main Top 3. Colin Provenost represents Mr. Webb's class. Rob Hopkirk is from Dr. Ritchie's class, and Tommy Athey is from Mr. Hines's class. Today's show will begin with a 4-minute lightning round. I will ask questions, and the first person to buzz in and answer correctly will earn 1 point per question. You may buzz in early, but if you get a wrong answer, you will lose 1 point. Once the lightning round is over, our representatives will wager a portion of their score ahead of our final question. All students, and any student can use the link on the bottom of your screen right now to vote for the category of this final question. You have 3 minutes to vote. The representative with the highest score will win free ice cream from Molly's on Main for everyone in their classroom. In the event of a tie, we will consider the total number of points the classroom earned over the course of the tournament. Now, without any further delay, let us begin now. The first question is an art question. In a two-dimensional composition, there are 2 types of spaces designated by the object depicted. Yes, Rob?
Positive and negative space.
That is correct. Our second question is mythology. Which people defeated the Trojans in the legendary? Yes.
The Greeks.
The Greeks is correct, yes. Number 3 is a math question. A number cube with 6 sides labeled 1 through 6 is rolled 2 times. What is the probability that the number 6 appears both times? Yes.
1 out of 36.
That is correct. If we can keep the buzzer lights on longer, just a little bit, please. Thank you. Number 4 is a math question. The same number cube is rolled 2 more times. What is the probability that the number 6 appears at least 1 out of the 2 rolls? Yes.
1/3.
No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Yes.
1/6.
No, that is incorrect. Moving on. I'm sorry, the correct answer is 11 in 36. Number 5 is a vocab question. What is a somnambulist? Okay, without any answers, that is a sleepwalker. Number 6 is a German question. What is the smallest German-speaking nation? The correct... Yes.
Switzerland.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Okay, the correct answer is Liechtenstein. Number 7 is an FCS question. What are 2 of the 3 methods of food preservation? Yes, Colin.
Refrigeration and packaging.
I'm sorry, those 2 are incorrect. Without any further answers, any of the 3 methods of food preservation are canning, drying, or freezing. Number 8 is a photography question. What still camera setting would you change if you were trying to capture a motion blur? With no answers, the correct answer is shutter or shutter speed. Number 9 is a drafting and design question. A cutting plane is used in what type of drawing? I'm sorry, the correct answer is section view. Number 10 is a science question. What is the 5th planet from the sun in our solar system? Yes, Rob?
Jupiter.
That is correct. Number 11 is a manufacturing question. What type of shielding gas is used in MIG welding? The 2 possible correct answers are argon or carbon dioxide. Number 12 is a material processes question. Who is credited with incorporating the theory of mass production in the United States? Yes, sir.
Henry Ford.
That is correct. And number 13 is our social studies question. The idea of dividing authority and power between the national and state governments. Yes, Rob?
Federalism.
That is correct. Very good energy. Number 14 is a vocabulary question. If you are garrulous, what do you do?
You talk a lot.
That is correct, Rob. Number 15 is a science question. What periodic element has the symbol W? Yes, Rob?
Tungsten.
That is correct. Number 16 is an art question. Please refer to the TV screen for this question. This self-portrait by 2011 graduate Emily Sheeran utilizes what element of art to demonstrate the dimensional aspects of forms? Yes, Tommy?
Shading.
That is incorrect. 5 more seconds. I'm sorry, the correct answer is value. Number 17, here we go. 17 is our final question, and it is a Latin question. What Latin root word is part of the name of our state? I'm sorry, the correct answer is Silva. Okay, so now as we move into our finals, the lightning round is now over. Dr. Ritchie takes the place with 11 points. Mr. Webb is in second with 5 points, and Mr. Hines holds a third with 2 points. Now, as we mentioned at the beginning of the show, the whole school had the chance to vote for the final category for our last question. The votes have been tallied, and the category for the final question is number 1, and number 1 is social studies. So, now that you know the category for our final question, please post your wagers. Refer to the scores that appear on your screen. Okay, very good. Please post your wagers so our audience can see them. Okay, let me read those aloud now. Mr. Webb has posted 5 points, Dr. Ritchie has posted 3 points, and Mr. Hines has posted 2 points. And now for the final question. Please remember that you are writing this question, so please do not buzz in. Brown versus Board of Education overturned which landmark Supreme Court case that stated that, quote, separate by equals was permissible under the law? Please turn your papers over when you are finished. Five more seconds. Okay, please raise your paper so our audience can see. Here we go. Okay, unfortunately, Mr. Reb posted something illegible. Dr. Ritchie has posted Plessy versus Ferguson, and Mr. Hines has also posted Plessy versus Ferguson. So it appears that Dr. Ritchie is our winner. Congratulations, Rob. You have won your period to class free ice cream from Molly's on Main. Excellent work, gentlemen. Thank you for playing. Today's episode ends this season of Texting Trivia and ends my appearances on WHHS. On a sincere note, I would like to thank the Fall and Spring WHHS crews, as well as the Comtech 5 and 6 classes for their support and their loyal work throughout the year. I would especially like to thank my teacher and mentor, Mr. Binder. Without his efforts beyond the 80-minute class periods, a program such as this would not be possible. From all of us at Telecentro Canal 7 and the entire Channel 17, have a trivial day.